A very good morning, class 10th. Today we are here again to discuss the new topic of our first chapter, which is life processes. It is the last part of this chapter, that is excretion, and we'll see its introductory part, means in general part, what we need to study about this chapter, that we'll see means in this topic. Okay, so this word excretion is not new for you. In previous classes like 7th 8th also you have came across this term. Okay, ठीक है. So let's start here. So excretion, its general meaning, the general meaning of excretion is what? Removal of waste. ठीक है, removal of waste. Okay, this is excretion. But what is waste? What is waste? That we should know. So it may be, undigested food जो हम खाना खाते हैं. If it is not completely digested, then it is a kind of waste for us. Then excess water, ये भी हमारे लिए वेस्ट हो सकता है. गैसेस वेस्ट हो सकते हैं, राइट. एंड some byproducts in our body. Many processes are taking place, and due to those main processes some byproducts are formed. They may also be the waste, right? Okay, so anything which is not useful for the body is treated as waste. Okay, ठीक है. Now question is, about this you have studied undigested food कैसे बाहर जाता है बॉडी से. इजेशन, यू रिमेंबर लास्ट प्रोसेस, एनएस के थ्रू वेस्ट मटेरियल बॉडी से बाहर जाता है. वाटर स्वेट के फॉर्म में पसीने से निकलता है. गैसेस बाय लंग्स, एंड मैनी बाय प्रोडक्ट्स दे में ऑल्सो बाय द स्वेट, यूरिन. ये सारे वेस्ट है हमारी बॉडी, राइट. सो व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ रिमूवल? क्यों रिमूव करें उन्हें हम, है ना? वाई टू रिमूव? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वाई टू रिमूव, एंड द आंसर इज बहुत सिंपल है. यू योर सेल्फ कैन गिव द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. अगर आप वेस्ट मटेरियल बॉडी से बाहर नहीं निकालेंगे, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? वेस्ट बिकम्स पॉइजनस. वेस्ट बॉडी के लिए पॉइजनस हो जाते हैं, राइट, एंड क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम. क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती हैं? डिजीजेस may be caused, right? Okay, so our body have a very well designed system for removal of waste from our different body parts, right? Okay, now dear, I would like to connect it with respiration or respiratory system. We have studied. What we have studied in respiratory system? C6H12O6 plus 6O2 means food material combines with oxygen inside the cell, and what it is producing? It is producing CO2 plus H2O plus energy. So what is this? This is waste for us. So so that lungs के through बाहर सांस निकल जाती है, means CO2 is removed from our body through the lungs, so it is waste. Okay, you also remember it is what? Cellular respiration. But what it is? It is glucose. तो हमने सिर्फ ग्लूकोज के बारे में पढ़ा था, बट ग्लूकोज इज नॉट ओनली फूड विच वी आर ईटिंग, अदर देन ग्लूकोज ऑल्सो वी आर ईटिंग. ओके, सो टुडे विल सी about a special kind of waste that is created in our body. अच्छा, उसके पहले एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दें आप कि क्या कभी आपने हैव यू ईटन व्हाट DNA RNA कभी खाया है? हैव यू ईटन क्लोरोफिल? हैव यू ईटन प्रोटीन्स? आई थिंक खाया होगा, नहीं? यस, यू हैव ईटन any food material, either it is meat or vegetative part, they all contain cells and each and every cell contain DNA RNA. If you are eating plant part, then it is containing chlorophyll also, and protein is also present everywhere. So any food item which is containing RNA, DNA or chlorophyll and protein, they are some special kind of food. So they are also digested. So when they are digested, what they are giving? They are giving energy. Along with energy, they also creates waste, right? This is byproduct, and these are not normal waste. They contain nitrogen containing waste, means the waste which is created by DNA, RNA, chlorophyll and protein digestion, they are nitrogen containing, so that these are called as nitrogenous waste that we are going to see today. Nitrogenous waste. In this part, this is very important. Nitrogenous waste. Okay. So nitrogenous wastes, they are created in almost all the animals because they feed on protein, chlorophyll or RNA, DNA. These nitrogenous waste may of different types. Okay, so these nitrogenous wastes are generally categorized into three types. The one is uric acid, then ammonia, and third is urea. So there are three types of nitrogenous waste. In higher classes you will see sometimes amino acids also considered as waste. Okay, again I am saying, when we are eating RNA, DNA, chlorophyll and protein, they are digested. After their digestion, energy is produced, and along with energy some wastes are also created. Those wastes contain nitrogen, and because of containing nitrogen, these wastes are called as nitrogenous wastes. So these are the wastes. Okay, clear? So these all waste, they are not excreted by a single animal. Generally, this uric acid is excreted in birds and reptiles. They excrete uric acid. Ammonia. Ammonia is excreted by generally fishes. And urea, it is by human, or you can say mammals, right? So we will focus here urea. So urea along with water, it becomes urine, that is excreted out from the body, that we'll see. ठीक है. Okay dear, we are shifting to the next level. Up for means removal of either uric acid, ammonia or urea, we need to have a system like digestive system, respiratory system, and many systems we have studied, circulatory system. So for this also we need to have a system. So we can write excretory system. This excretory system again we shall study in case of both in plants and animals. Okay. In plants also many kinds of wastes are created inside their body, and in animals also, right? So both we shall study. So we shall start with animals, excretory system of animals. But before going through the next level, can you tell me where these uric acid or ammonia or urea are present? कहाँ पर present होते हैं ये? Lungs में, kidney में, कहाँ पर present होते हैं? Can you means guess, or can you give some pressure to your brain for thinking? These all ways are present in blood, क्योंकि either it is useful or non-useful, all things are circulated by the blood and lymph. So these are present in blood. तो इनको रिमूव करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? What we need to do means what we need to do to filter or to remove these wastes? We have to filter the blood. We need to filter blood, and after filtration, what is waste, it is removed, and what is good thing, it is again taken back by the body. So what is the filter in our body? So you know very well, in previous classes also you studied who is filter. It is kidney. Kidney is filter in our body. It filters the blood to remove the waste materials. Okay. Here. So we are moving for the animals. I think if I can draw the diagram, it will be better for you, है ना? Right? Okay. So you can draw with me. Connection of pipes must be very proper. This diagram is given in your textbook also. Okay. Clear? Clear. So one pipe is bringing blood. I will show it with different colors. It is shown by blue. It is going. Means one pipe is bringing the blood and another pipe is carrying blood away. But before that, you see, this blood entered into kidney here, and after entering into kidney, it is filtered, processed, and again comes back. Same thing happens here also. It is divided and it is going to both the kidneys, entered into kidney, and it is processed, matlab filtered, and after filtration it is again coming back. So this is very important to remember. One pipe divided into two branches, both are giving blood to both the kidneys, and after processing the blood is returning back. Okay, we have processes में क्या होता है? What is processed? When the blood is coming, kidney takes urea या uric acid, ये जो भी waste है, nitrogenous waste, it is taken by the kidney, and now purified blood is going back. From here also, when blood enters into the kidney, kidney takes out urea or uric acid. Now blood is pure, so it is going away. Okay, ठीक है. But what happens to urea? This urea is collected by many pipes. Kidney collect करके उस यूरिया को it sends outside through the pipes. Through the pipe, that urea is coming out of the kidney. Okay. And it is stored in a bag-like structure. Clear? So it is excretory system of human. Now I shall label it. This is what? Kidney. It is paired, one kidney, two. So it is right kidney, it is left kidney. Okay. The pipe which is carrying the blood toward the kidney, it is called as renal artery. Direction जरूर याद रखेंगे, right? Means it is having oxygen. It is having oxygen, but it is having urea also. So this blood which is coming through this pipe is pure as well as impure. Pure because it is having oxygen. तो हम यहाँ क्या लिख सकते हैं? Blood composition of blood O2 plus urea, right? And the blood which is going away, the pipe's name is renal vein, and its blood, it is having CO2 plus no urea. So it is impure because CO2 is present, but pure because no urea. So it is bluish in color because of presence of CO2. reddish in color because of presence of O2 oxygen, right? Okay, ठीक है. एंड दिस पाइप विच इज़ कैरिंग यूरिया, मतलब किडनी से यूरिया बाहर आएगा, किडनी में तो बहुत देर नहीं रह सकता ना. So whatever urea or any nitrogenous waste is there, it is coming out with from the kidney, and it is drained or it is stored in a bag-like structure. So this pipe is ureter. What? Ureter. This is also ureter. Okay. What is this? Here urine is stored, waste is stored. It is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Okay. And what is this? This pipe, urethra. And last one is urinary opening. And what is present here? You know what these are? These are valves. If valves are not present, then it can't be stored here, and continuously we have to sit in washroom only. Okay, ठीक है. So this is excretory system. Renal artery bringing the blood for filtration. Once the blood reaches to kidney, urea is separated, pure blood is sent back from here and both sides to the heart. The filtered waste is collected and sent to urinary bladder through ureter from both the kidneys. In ureter is stored, and when it is completely filled, these valves open, and due to opening of valve, the urine is removed from the body through the urinary opening. In examination, it is approximately 100% confirmed that this diagram is being asked. Okay, so you need to focus well. Clear here? So now I am summarizing. Today we are studying about excretory system introduction. Excretion means removal of waste. But what is waste? Undigested food or any excess water or gas or byproducts, they may be the waste in our body. Because our body is working continuously, so definitely waste will be created. Okay. These waste are created by many ways, but what we are going to study today, that is nitrogenous waste. So nitrogenous wastes are created due to digestion of DNA, RNA, chlorophyll and protein. They may be uric acid, ammonia or urea. In case of human, urea as a waste is created. It is then absorbed by blood and sent to kidney for filtration. Now excretory system, we shall study about the plants and animals. Today we are here for animal part. Excretory system consists of paired kidney, renal artery, renal vein, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra and urinary openings. Okay, the coming blood which is going to kidney, it is having oxygen as well as urea, and the blood which is going away after passing through the kidney, it is not having urea, it is having CO2, means it is purified or filtered. Then the waste which is filtered out of blood, it is collected into urinary bladder through the ureter, and when these valves are opened through the urethra, urine is sent outside the body. Okay dear, you can prepare the notes and can send for checking. Okay, thank you so much, take care.